Oh no, my cold cocoa is still cold, but now it is also on the floor.
Oh, Ziggy, you can't heat up cocoa by hugging the mug. You have to use the microwave, remember?
But Emma, the microwave is just a box with a light inside. Bst! How can a light bulb make my cocoa hot enough to melt marshmallows?
You know, that is a really good question. It doesn't have fire like a stove, and it doesn't have hot coils like a toaster.
Hello there, explorers. It sounds like we have a delicious mystery brewing in the kitchen today.
Hi, Dr. Owl. Ziggy and I are trying to figure out how the microwave works. It feels like magic, not science.
I bet there are tiny dragons inside breathing fire. Invisible dragons.
No dragons today, Ziggy, but you are partially right about the invisible part. The secret to the microwave is a special kind of invisible energy called microwaves. But before we peek inside the magic box, let's get our show started properly.
Hello? Is this thing on? I pressed a button.
Ziggy, you pressed the intro button.
Oh, I thought it was the snack button.
Hoot hoot! Hello, explorers! Welcome to STEM with Dr. Owl,
where we explore big ideas and curious questions together.
Every episode is a new adventure, full of wonder, thinking, and fun.
Adventure confirmed, curiosity level, maximum. Okay, everyone. Robot rule. Sit still. Snack systems ready. The show is on.
Welcome back, friends. Today we are answering the hot question. How does a cold metal box cook our food so fast?
You said it uses microwaves, Dr. Owl. Are those like the waves at the beach?
Surf is up. I need my swimming trunks.
Not quite water waves, Ziggy. Microwaves are invisible waves of energy, kind of like light, but our eyes can't see them. They fly through the air, zip through glass, and zoom right into your food.
Whoa. So the box is full of invisible zooming energy?
Exactly. And here is the secret. These waves are looking for one specific thing to play with. Can you guess what it is?
Is it pizza? I hope it is pizza.
It loves pizza, but only because pizza has water inside it.
Water? Wait, so the microwave only heats up the water in the food?
Spot on, Emma. Inside your food are tiny, tiny building blocks called molecules. Water molecules act like tiny magnets with a plus side and a minus side.
I have magnets. Sometimes forks stick to my forehead.
Imagine the water molecules are like little dancers. When the microwaves hit them, they grab the molecules and shake them back and forth really fast.
Like a dance party?
Exactly like a dance party. They wiggle and jiggle and spin around millions of times a second.
But how does wiggling make the food hot?
Let's do a quick experiment, Emma. Put your hands together and rub them back and forth as fast as you can. Go, go, go!
I'm rubbing. Whew! Dr. Owl, my hands are getting hot.
That is called friction. When things rub against each other, they create heat. So when those water molecules dance and bump into each other, they make the food hot.
So my cocoa gets hot because the water inside is doing the cha-cha-cha?
That is the perfect way to describe it, Ziggy. Now, are you ready for a game? It is time for Will It Heat Up?
Oh boy, I am ready to win.
I will name a food, and you two have to guess if it will heat up fast or slow in the microwave. Remember the secret ingredient, water. Round 1, a bowl of tomato soup.
Fast! Soup is almost all liquid, so it has tons of dancing water molecules.
I agree. Soup is just wet juice.
Correct. Soup heats up super fast. Round 2, a dry, stale cracker.
Crackers are crunchy. Maybe fast because they are small.
Wait, Ziggy. If it's dry, it doesn't have much water, right, Dr. Owl? So I say, slow?
Brilliant thinking, Emma. Dry foods barely heat up because there is no water to wiggle. That's why if you put a dry plate in, the plate stays cool, but the food on it gets hot.
Unless I spill the soup on the plate, then everything is hot and messy.
True. Now, have you noticed something else about the microwave? Inside, there is a plate on the bottom that spins around.
Oh, yeah! It looks like a merry-go-round for my leftovers. Why does it spin?
Well, microwaves bounce around inside the box like bouncy balls. This means some spots get lots of energy and some spots get none.
So one bite of my burrito is lava hot, and the next bite is an iceberg?
Exactly, Ziggy. The spinning plate moves the food around so it catches waves on all sides, helping it cook evenly.
That makes sense. But, Dr. Owl, my mom always says never put metal in the microwave. Why is that?
Your mom is very right. Remember, microwaves go into water and food. But metal acts like a mirror.
I look handsome in a mirror. Shiny robot.
If microwaves hit metal, like a fork or aluminum foil, they bounce off instantly. This can cause electricity to jump through the air and create sparks.
Yikes! So, no forks, no spoons, and definitely no robots in the microwave.
Precisely. But don't worry, the microwave is very safe as long as the door is closed. There is even a metal screen in the glass door. Do you see the little holes in it?
Yeah, it looks like a net.
That net catches the waves and keeps them inside the box, so they cook your lunch and not you.
Phew. But I do not want to be a cooked robot.
Before we wrap up, let's do one last quick true or false to make sure our explorers are safe. True or false? When the microwave beeps and turns off, there are still waves bouncing around inside.
Well, when I turn off a flashlight, the light goes away instantly. I'm going to say false.
Correct! As soon as the power cuts, the waves disappear. It is just heat left over, like hot steam.
Wow, I learned so much. Microwaves are invisible waves that make water molecules dance and wiggle to create heat.
And dry crackers are boring. And metal makes sparks.
You two are fantastic scientists. Next time you heat up a snack, watch it spin and imagine all those tiny molecules having a dance party inside.
I'm going to do a wiggle dance while I wait for my popcorn.
That's all for today, explorers. Stay curious.
Bye, everyone!
See you later, alligator. But okay. Dr. Owl said water makes heat.
Ziggy, what are you doing?
I am putting the snowball in the microwave I am going to make hot water soup. Oh, now I have a puddle.
I think you need a bowl next time, Ziggy.
Okay, the show is over, but curiosity stays on.
I loved exploring with you today. If you had fun, tell a friend about our show.
Sharing is caring. Robots read that in a manual. Oh, question detected. If you have one too, leave it in the comments. My inbox is very empty.